Welcome to today's video. We are going to talk about some things from the design tab. The most important and interesting part we need to understand when creating a document is how you can give the page borders. So when you have to give the page borders, normally when you open your Microsoft Word document, it appears to be like this. We have some tabs over here. From the tab we can go directly to the design tab. When you click on design tab, in the right corner you will see the page borders option. As soon as you click on it, it has multiple options over here for the page borders. So the first option right now is none because I have no page border over here. You can make it box, shadow, make it look like 3D or customized. In customized you can give border wherever you need, whether it is top or bottom, wherever you will click it will give the border over there. Let's come back to the box option so that all 4 borders are coming over there. You can either click on these windows to turn it on or off. Anyhow, when we come back to the box option, if you scroll down over here, we have multiple styles over here. You can select any of the style. Let's say this one. You can choose the color. Any color of your choice. You can select the width, which will make you know about the thickness of the border. Then we have an option for the art. In offices we don't use this art option, but some of the teachers, they do use it for the kids, because there are some art options over here, some patterns, some images and all. So I have selected my design. I'm going to apply it to the whole document. We have not studied about the section so far, so I'm just choosing the main basic option, which is whole document, and say OK. So here we go with our borders. Anytime you choose to change it, you simply have to go back again to the page borders, and from here you can make the change. The next option left to it, you will see page color. You can actually have the colored pages by simply selecting any color from here. Sometimes when we are writing some official documents, we wish to have watermark, which is also known as the ghost text, which comes behind the document. So for example, if I have some sample text over here, let's say I want to have a watermark with the ghost text at the back side of my document so that no one can copy it, I will go to watermark option, which is again in the design tab. When you click on the watermark option, you can see some of the watermarks over here, such as confidential, do not copy. These are diagonal, this is horizontal. If you want to make your own watermark, which is with your own name, with your own company name, or with a picture, we can directly go to custom watermark. So once you click on custom watermark, at the moment we have no watermark. You can choose the picture watermark, means you can put a picture. This we can do next time, but today we will just do the text watermark. So if you want to put the text watermark over here, the text you can choose. First of all, you can choose the language. Of course, I'll be writing it in English. Text, you can choose any text over here. It can be anything. Let's say I write learning computer. It can be anything. It can be the name of the company or XYZ. You can select the font style, the size and the color of the text. So I'm keeping it this. I'm keeping it diagonal. Let's apply to see how it looks like. So you can see over here, if I turn off the semi-transparent, it will become more dark. If you want to make it a bit light, make it semi-transparent, apply. If you're okay with it, you can go ahead with it. It's diagonal. Horizontal will look something like this. So I'll go with diagonal and I will say OK. So this is how my watermark looks like, and on top of that my text is still there.